Dear friends, great to be here to celebrate the birthday of His Holiness. And we all wish him strongly many good years with good health and happiness. And I think that more than ever, we need his wise lessons and his wise words. For me, the key message of His Holiness is a message of compassion. Today, with a real war and all the violence and the hatred, I think compassion is the most important thing to create a better world. And His Holiness told me once, there are two kinds of compassion. One is the natural compassion for your family and your friends. But the second one is something we all can develop. And we as human beings are the only one who can develop the compassion for all sentient beings. And our world, we all need this so much today that I'm happy just to wish His Holiness many, many, many good years together with us, with his lessons, and all of us with compassion. Let's create a better world. Your Holiness, a big hug from the Netherlands, from me, Erika Terpstra.